I know everyone says, hi, my name is this, welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh no, I'm not going to say that. My name is Yemi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I just said it. Yo fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yemi, but I'm popularly known as Lifestyle with Yemi because you're all gonna be getting everything lifestyle, installation video, makeup, everything lifestyle. Now let me give you a breakdown of what to expect on my platform. We will be doing loads of wig installation videos, makeup. Of course, I'm still learning my makeup, but let us learn together and let's make mistakes together. And in case I teach you how to make Ojuju makeup, do not call my name. Do not say you learned it from my channel. And also, I'll be sharing my relocation journey, all the mistakes I've made, the things I wish I didn't do, the things I wish I did. A step-by-step relocation journey to the UK on how I did my masters and everything. I'm willing to pour it all out there, no filters, so we all can learn together. I'm also transitioning into tech, data scientist. Well, I'll soon be called a new tech girly, or technically a tech girly, or whatever it is called, but I shall be in tech. Yes, tech. So I'll be a tech girly very soon, and I'll be transitioning into it, and I would love to share the journey with you guys, because why experience it alone when I can share it with the whole world? You know, I'm very sure I'm not the only one that wants to be a tech girly. So if you want to be a tech girly, come to my channel. Let us transition together, let us learn together, let us make the tech money together. The tech money is not only for them, it is for us, and we must chop the money together. I'll also be doing lots of vlogs, my outings and all of that. Tell me, in fact, this is how we are going to do it. You just tell me what you want me to put out there for you, and I'll be doing it right. And there'll be lots of fashion styling, color combination, everything. In case I dress like a gugu, that is a masquerade in your village, please, are you guys going to correct me or just allow me to go out like a masquerade like that? Well, we are going to find out in this channel. See all these plenty goodies I want to share with you guys on my channel. So tell me, take mic and explain to the whole world why you have not subscribed on my channel. Yes, you have to tell me, but if you have, congratulations, you're welcome to Yemi's world, because in this world, no pretending, no yeah, it's gonna be the real deal or nothing, no filters. And if you want to hear plenty apropos when it comes to gist, when it comes to failed relationship, don't worry, call me, I will be there to give you guys all the teas. Now, a little bit about me. Of course, you know my name already. My name is Yemi, a very soon to be influencer. And don't worry, when I become an influencer, I'll be doing free autograph for you guys. Duh! I graduated from the University of Ilorin. I studied BSc Physics, and I moved into the UK to do my masters. I studied applied data science. Like I said, I'm transitioning. On TikTok, they call me Teacher Yemi. Don't worry, you will soon find out why they call me Teacher Yemi. And there's one thing I love to do. I love how to dance, even though I don't know how to dance. And in case I dance for you, you don't have to tell me I don't know how to dance. I already know I don't know how to dance, so manage me like that. Some people call me crazy, but maybe I am, maybe I'm not. You are going to find out soon. But it be like say I crazy small, but if you want to see blending crazy, welcome to my Jolon, okay? Anyways, welcome guys to my channel. Come, let us build a community. On this channel, I promise you lots of fun, lots of gist, lots of everything real deal, unfiltered. Trust me, you're gonna have fun. No boring moment on this channel. The schedule for my channel is Fridays, 7 p.m. Don't miss it. Every Friday, videos will be dropped on this channel for you to enjoy, watch, and have fun. Make sure you turn on your notification, because as soon as Lifestyle with Yemi post, oh yeah, Alile, pack your bag and baggages and run to my channel to do what? To watch Lifestyle with Yemi, with the stars, with the seas. And guess the new name they call me? Oh, I remember, they call me the Big Yams. Big Yams for president, Abi. Oh yeah, now if you give me president, I'm gonna collect. See you guys on Friday. I can't wait to have lots of fun with you guys. It's gonna be fun.